you know that many of the English words that you have learned are old Viking words? That's right. After Old English had become a stable language and replaced Latin, in the 800s the Vikings began a long process of attacking England and settling there. The Vikings were from Sweden and Norway and had their own Germanic language. This language had some very different vocab and grammar from Old English. So when the Viking soldiers stayed and married English women, their children grew up speaking their mother's language, English, but mixing in a lot of their dad's words as well. Have you ever wondered about why there are words in English that start with a silent K, like knife, no, and night? These strange words are part of the 7% of English vocabulary that is actually from the Vikings, along with many other daily words like take, keep, get, sky, and leg. This helps explain why some of our English spelling is so strange.